Just a quick video here on a Samsung EcoBubble on the washing cycle that's already going, right? So a lot of you ask about the different symbols. Now you can see this is mid-cycle, well, starting. Clearly you can see it's flashing on the dark garment cycle. And you can see there's a lot of suds and water going on there. And up here, what we've got, the flashing is literally, that matches the icon in the detergent drawer, right, where you put your main detergent. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of focusing a bit, struggling. But that's flashing, so it's going through that cycle at the minute. Well, next to it, the tub is actually a rinse cycle, and it doesn't show it here, but the rinse count is 4, so it's going to go through 4 rinses. Now here's the rinse option, so you can change that. Now you can see obviously the lock icon means it's locked. 117 is the time remaining. 1200 above the spin handily is the spin speed, and 40 above the thermometer is the wash temperature. And most of these cycles you can customize these by tapping these before your cycle starts. Now I've got a longer video coming up on all of the icons to explain them in detail, but I hope you find that useful to get a bit more at your wash, and check out my other videos for more on the Samsung EcoBubble. See you soon.